Are your muscles sore after working out? Today you'll learn how to complain in real English. Welcome to 7 Days of English. Let's go. My legs are killing me. Repeat. My legs are killing me. I can't move. Everything hurts. Repeat. I can't move. Everything hurts. I'm walking like a robot. Repeat. I'm walking like a robot. It burns, but in a good way. Repeat. It burns, but in a good way. I think I need a new body. Repeat. I think I need a new body. My arms feel like noodles. Repeat. My arms feel like noodles. That workout destroyed me. Repeat. That workout destroyed me. Now repeat the phrases again, as many times as you need, until they feel natural. What's the funniest way you describe soreness? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe and come back tomorrow for more real English.